Aloy Lodi. So what is up guys right now to my new vlog, and finally my new vlog on going outside the house and touch some grass. Here, yeah, some grass. And actually this is the rice fields.
Welcome to the rice fields, motherfucker!
But unfortunately the rice fields has been dried up, and so maybe next season they will just plant another rice paddies. So yeah. Yep, so this is my biking vlog I mean. So guys, ito po yung bike ko ngayon. So yeah, it's drinks and Aloy Lodi. Actually, kakalinis ko lang siya nung isang araw. Then, ngayon, madudumihan ko na ulit. Nice one. Aloy po siya. Tapos ito, I don't know kung ano to. Basta steel siya. Actually, it's my first time to bike. Yeah. This is the part 1 of my vlog now, which I'm gonna touch some grass. So yeah. But basta, we're in the palayan right now. We're in the rice fields. So yeah. It's wonderful here now since it's morning and it's sunny. Tsaka tignan mo yung mga bata ngayon. Tignan mo. Tumitingin sila sa akin. Yan. Ooh, smooth, man. I don't know how to review a bike since baguhan pa lang ako sa biking community. So, leave a comment down below about your thoughts of my bike.
Oh, may batang bago doon. Oh, kakalaruin ka daw niya. May batang bago daw kakalaruin ka daw niya.
So actually, we really need to go that far talaga just to see the view. But sige, next time lang, sa next vlog ko na. So, what you guys say? Ang ganda ng view, ano? Parang tuloy nasa Bicol ata. But actually, this is in Cavite, in Carmona, Cavite. Yeah, maganda talagang bukid dito. Sana hindi nila matayuan ng foundations. Parang hindi naman siguro kasi farm to eh, bukid to eh. Yan. And sa wakas, after ilang years, after 8 or 9 years, nag-ice tubig din ako. Yeah, so feels refreshing. Cheers. Oh, take a look of what I just found. It's a watermelon. It's a small watermelon. And yep, I never knew that they have a watermelon crops here. So yeah, look. They grow watermelons here in this middle of the field.
So what is up guys? And here we are riding and chilling within the fresh air and touching some grass. So you can see it has been years since I'm going outside and riding a bike. Because during my childhood I already loved riding road bikes and mountain bikes. And now this time it's the time again to ride and get used in riding so I can join along with long rides and some mountain bike trails. This vlog is still a bit boring because there's no one with me yet, and it's It's another experience and another new. Yes, I think I'm going to be proud of myself because, I'm trying new things because I'm trying new things since this end of 2021 and for the next years to come. And yep, enough talk and enjoy the ride.
Also nga pala, about sa gears, pinakauna kong gear na na-purchase ay ito, yung aluminum cellphone holder galing sa Shopee. I will leave a link down the description below para malaman nyo kung saan ko nabili yun, kung anong type ng cellphone holder. Yung para habang nag-rides ako. Yung i-record yung mga rides ko. So yun. Tangina. Oh no. No profanity. Ang konyo ko magsalita. Wait lang. Get ready na guys. Yun ang rides na tayo sa may bridge. Yan. Nakashift na din yung gear ko. pag ano, for rough terrains. Ride safe, guys. Ride safe. Yun, kahit pala hindi na ako nag-microphone, rinig pa rin naman ako. Sira kasi ating microphone ko, or I don't know kung sira talaga yung cord sa cellphone ko. So yeah, I'm gonna literally touch some grass and langhap some fresh air. Yeah, this is the life, man. I think that's the end of the road now, so we're going to take a clear look about that. Oops, dahan-dahan lang. Tingin ko they will just going to connect the bridge from here to there. You know? Malinis ho yung ilog dyan. Tignan natin yung other part ng ilog doon. I'm gonna take you to a tour in my subdivision. You'll never know kung saan ako nakatira. Basta doon pa dulo, doon yung subdivision namin. Yung bahay ko pala. Bahay namin pala. I don't know if what phase is this, you know, the other section of our subdivision, but I think the place here is great. And look. Yes, the river is connected in my previous clips. This is it. Doon po banda yung bahay namin. So, guess where it is. So guys, dito po magtatapos ang vlog ko ngayon. So yeah, this is our subdivision. And yeah, dito po magtatapos ang vlog ko ngayon. So, stay tuned for another part of this video. My biking vlogs. And yeah, apologies that mali yung pagsuot ng mask ko. It's because, you know, ano po, Mahirapan lang magsalita. Baka hindi nyo ako marinig. You might not hear me. So, peace out. Teka, so tingin nyo, so do you think I could hike this trail up the way, up down there? We'll see about that.